Good morning, fam. Coach Nate here. I'm guessing that stiffness is back, the soreness and tiredness, sluggishness. It always comes back eventually. But hey, guess what? In the next 90 seconds, I'm going to loosen up your entire spine, unlock your energy, and fire up your body for the day. Does that sound like a fair deal? I bet it does. Most people are stretching correctly, making them even tighter. Or they don't even stretch. Let's fix that today. One of these moves will instantly unlock your lower back, but only if you do it right, and I'll show you how to do it. The last move in this session is probably a stretch you haven't tried before, but you'll wish you had. Your spine isn't just tight, but it's holding back your flexibility, posture, and even your energy levels. And today, we are going to change that. Most people have no idea how much tension they're holding in their back and shoulders until they try this next move. If you feel tight when you wake up or after sitting for too long, there's a reason. One small mistake might be keeping your body from feeling its best. I'll help you fix it. And also, if you sit for long hours at a desk, I've got something to talk to you about at the end. Your spine has been locked up all night. Your posture is off and your body is begging for movement. This move resets everything. Kneel on your mat, bring your big toes together and sink back onto your heels. Extend your arms forward, forehead resting on the mat. Take a deep breath in, exhale, sink deeper into the stretch. I promise this move will decompress your spine, open your shoulders, and calm your nervous system. Beginners, keep your knees closer together for more support. Advanced stretches, walk your fingers forward and press deeper into the stretch. Close your eyes. Take one deep breath. Can you relax just a little more? Now let's bring some movement into the spine and get everything flowing. If you feel stiff in the morning, this is the fix. Your back, shoulders, and even your hips will feel looser in seconds. Start in the tabletop position, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, arch your back, lift your chest, and tilt your pelvis forward. Cow pose. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin, and pull your belly in. Cat pose. Repeat smoothly, syncing your breath with movement. I promise this move will wake up your spine, increase circulation, and instantly improve how your back feels. Beginners, keep your movements slow and controlled. Advanced stretches, deepen the arch and round your back for a gentler stretch. Most people rush through this. Slow it down. Feel every inch of your spine move. Your spine is loose. Now let's get the entire back line of your body involved with the king of full body stretches. If you feel stiff, heavy, or tight, this move will wake up your entire body. It stretches your spine, opens your shoulders, and even loosens your hamstrings, all at once. Start in a tabletop position, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Tuck your toes, lift your hips high, and press your heels toward the ground. Push through your palms, keeping your arms straight, spine long. Breathe deep and hold. Paddle your feet if needed. I promise, if you only have time for one stretch a day, this is the one. It wakes up your entire body, boosts circulation, and improves flexibility instantly. Beginners, bend your knees slightly to ease into the stretch. Advanced stretches, try lifting one leg at a time for a deeper hamstring stretch. Now that your spine and legs are open, let's add some back extension to balance things out. You've stretched the back of your body. Now let's open up the front. If you spend hours sitting, your chest and spine need this stretch. Lower your body onto your stomach, hands under your shoulders. Press through your palms, lifting your chest while keeping your elbows soft. Keep your hips grounded and focus on opening the chest. Hold and breathe deep, feeling your spine extend. I promise this move reverses the effects of slouching, improves posture, and even helps you breathe better. Beginners, keep elbows bent for a gentle stretch. Advanced stretches, straighten your arms for a deeper back bend. Take one more deep breath and imagine your spine lengthening even more. We're almost done, but this last move is going to take your spinal mobility to the next level. This is the final move, the one that locks in all the benefits of today's routine. It's not just a stretch, it's a strength builder for your spine. Stay on your stomach, but this time, place your forearms on the mat. Press through your chest while keeping your hips down. Keep your shoulders relaxed and gaze forward. I promise this move builds strength in your lower back, improves posture, and helps prevent stiffness throughout the day. Beginners, keep the forearms closer for less intensity. Advanced stretches, press into your palms slightly to deepen the extension. Last move, can you hold this just 5 seconds longer? Let's go all in. Deep breath in. Now exhale. Feel your spine extend just a little more. Your spine is strong, your body is loose, and your energy is up. That's how you take control of your day. And fam, if you sit all day, go click the link in the description or pinned comment. It's got something special that's going to help you stay pain-free all day. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.